Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to change the rubber cover of the mic port and USB port here, and also change the rubber grip of the Nikon Z5. This also applies to the Z series as well, like Z5, Z6, 6 Mark II, and 6 Mark III. So let's begin. To remove the cover here, you can just pull it out like this. It helps to remove the strap here, but I'm not bother to do it. Okay, this is the old one. The new one here, as you can see, there's like a tip here. You have to use the scissors to cut it off, or you can use this thing also. Cut it around at the tip here. And to put it back in, you put it in the left hole here. And it helps if you have like a screwdriver with a very small tip, like this one. It helps to push it in. Yeah. Like this, and we do the same with the USB port. Okay. So next we're going to change the rubber grip, the grip here. But first, I have to show you the replacement part. So I ordered it from the AliExpress, and yeah, this is not a not that great one, because you can see there's a mark here. So you have to clean this first. Use something like this to pick out the glue, pick the glue out and clean it with isopropyl alcohol, right? To clean. Okay, so let me apply this first, and we'll start removing the cover, the grip here. Okay, so sorry for the scene change. I have to go back to my home to get the smaller screwdriver to get the screw inside here. To remove the cover, we have to remove 3 screws, 2 on the outside and 1 on the inside next to the battery spring. Let me try the flashlight too, if you can see. So you remove that one and then we peel it off. Okay, let's begin. Oh, maybe you don't have to. No, you have to. Okay, this one. It's very small, so be careful. As you can see, the screw I was mentioned is right here. Okay. And then you have to remove the glue using maybe rubbing alcohol. Try to clean as much as you can. So I've already cleaned the sticker from the previous clip. It took quite some time, yeah, but you have to be patient to remove all the little bits and pieces off of it. And I have put on a new sticker on the new grip here. Let me show you for the one who got the sticker separate from the seller. Like I said before, the curved one goes here, and there need to be a little bit here on the bottom. And on the inside, you can see there's this one here, and the square piece is the smaller one is for the top, and the bigger one is for the bottom. And then there's a long rectangle piece at the bottom here, and also on the top we have the long strip from all the way from here to here. Yeah. You can check the O1 to check for placement. You don't have to be that precise, but it shouldn't go overlap from the grip. And from my testing, the test fit, I think we should remove the bottom plate to apply the grip, because from when I tested, when we put the bottom in and the top in like this, there's like a gap inside here and here to put this one and this one in like this. And this bottom one, you have the grip have to go under the cover, right? And the problem is we have this notch here in the bottom. You see this one? Yeah. You have to put that notch inside of this hole from the grip. I think you get, yeah, this hole here. And from what I tried, it's very hard and very finicky to pull it this way, even without the sticker. So I think the best practice here is to remove the bottom plate and apply the grip, then to put the bottom plate back in, and to put the notch inside the hole here. So yeah, let's begin. Okay. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, the notch here is on the bottom page. This notch here. So let's begin putting on the grip. I have to be very careful. One last thing, you have to apply the sticker from at the left of the right of the grip here. The kit, my kit didn't provide the sticker here, so you have to use your own double-sided tape. Yeah. Okay, let's begin. So first, what you want to do is put in the face of the grip first, like this. Yeah, and then we'll move from the front to the side. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. Yeah. First, we just remove the face side of the tape. Yeah, it is indeed very sticky, and no. Okay, so the face side apply. We can peel back a bit and remove the inside here. Yeah, you really need this to remove the sticker. Okay. Check one last time there is no dust or anything in it. Okay, so here we go. Okay, for the top clip here. And then you'll be able to push it in all the way. Make sure it fit properly. And yeah, it's done. Nice. The screw line up. Okay. First, let's put in the screw inside first. Screw inside the battery compartment, so it's not moving anywhere. just a little bit tight, but not that much. Okay, so the final assembly. So yeah, let's put it in. I think you have to put in the, what is it, like a DC power in cover. It should be, yeah, it should be this way. You have to put it in like this. And then the body will cover this. Okay. Nothing. Yeah. Nothing fall inside. Okay. Let's do this. After everything is tight, the screw hole lined up, and yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so let's begin putting all the screw in together. And done. Okay. Okay, let's see. Looking good, huh? Okay, let's try with battery. You know, to be honest, you should try before you screw all the things in. Yeah. And yeah. Okay, that's it. Replacing the front cover and the USB and microphone port cover, front grip and the port cover here. As you can see, my bottom plate they broke off here, and I saw the replacement part for my leg plate also, but as you can see, it's very simple to replace it. I think from the store page, you have two options to only buy the plastic part here, or just the metal plate here, or buy both. Yeah, that's your choice. So I think that's it. If you have any question, just comment down below. I will try to answer them as much as I can. So thank you. Bye.